Let's check on everything that Honor 600 Pro does come with. So here I have brand new box. I will need to remove this protective stickers right here using this knife, and you can also just unwrap them if you like, but I'm gonna cut through them. Now inside we should be able to see all of the accessories, and the first thing is the phone itself. It is protected by this wrapper. I'm just gonna put it aside, and then we're gonna focus on the accessories inside. So here we have the cardboard that contains the cable. The cable is double time USB-C on both of the sides. Then there's all of the instructions, warranties, and everything inside. Then there's USB ejection tool, but that is all of the accessories. Nothing else comes with this phone. The charger that if you're planning on buying one, should be between 10 to 80 watts. Best choice would be 80 watts. It doesn't come with the charger. And also the last thing that we should check in this video is the screen cover, if there is one. There's the screen protection pre-installed, at least for the European version of this phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.